then it will be known as a nested while loop. So what a while loop is, okay, a while loop is used within another while loop. Got it, all of you? Okay, so I'll show you a simple program for it. Okay, I'll show you a simple program for it. Okay, it's not going. Fine, we'll go with this. I thought you will be doing the program, so I opened the previous one. It's okay. We can open another page. Okay, all of you today all are not in the mood or what? All are so quiet. Why you all are so quiet, guys? Am I audible to all of you? All 36 members. Come on, wake up. Yes? Lazy morning, Monday morning. No, you don't have to be lazy. Yes? This is very crucial time for you all. Yes? Okay. So listen, everyone carefully. Okay. So let's give some name to the program. Let's give pattern only. Okay. And then in the main method, of course, we will write why we use main method. You all know now. Already sir must have told you all why we use main method. Yes? Okay.
Yeah.
Why we use main method?
Ma'am, so that JVM can start the execution of the program.
Yes. JVM will always give the control to your
Main main method.
main method to start. Yes. See why I'm asking this question. See, thank you, thank you. So why I'm asking this question, because the next topic which I'm going to start today only after this nested loop, it you have to understand the importance of JVM as well as importance of your main method. Now that day, what program we did for your explanation, I think we did yeah, I think we did number. Yes, for your batch I did number. So I think this I explained you. Yes, yes or no? Somebody please speak out.
Yes, ma'am. We did this.
We did this. Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5. Now, how I will achieve this with while loop? See, I won't go with a different example. I'll go with the same example so you can understand. So now, what we have to do? We have to print this whole pattern using while loop. Okay. So now, what we'll do? We know that my row will be going till 5. Yes, and because every you all know that this first row will be only using first column, the second row will be using only two columns, okay, and this third row will be using only three columns, this four row will be using four columns, and fifth row will be using five columns. Yes, so you know that row will go till 5. Yes, now according to the previous explanation, you already know that row will go till the 5 and your column will also go smaller than, less than, equal to, sorry, less than, equal to row. Your column will be accessing from less than, equal to row. See, column is when your row is 2, your column is less than, because 1 is less than 2 na, and then it is also equal to the number of rows. So this is why these two condition will be there. What will be there? That your row should be smaller than, equal to 5, as well as your column should be also less than, equal to row. This is what the condition is. And then what we will print? Of course, we will print the column. Okay, so let's take A and B also for your better understanding. So what we will do, we will take a container. Okay, we will take a container, and that container is for row. So what I will write? I will write int A is equal to 1. So first of all, this A I am taking, I'm explaining you each and every instruction. So please listen carefully. So you can create your own program. Okay, you don't need me. Ma'am, please tell me this. Ma'am, please tell me that. Okay. So please listen, everyone. Focus. Okay. So here I am taking A as a container for rows. Okay, this is for rows. Now I have to get the condition that I have to make my row, start my row from 1 till the 5. Okay, because already I have given you pattern to print the rows, print the 5 rows. Yes, so what we will do, what condition we have to use here now, guys? Tell me which nested loop we will be using.
While loop.
Yes, so first, because when there is a while loop within another while loop, then only it is a nested while. Right, I will write while, and what will be my condition? Right now I gave you the condition. Tell me, everyone, come on, tell me the condition. Right now I explained you.
While A should be less than or equals to 5.
Yes, what does it mean? Other person, not you. Yes, please tell me. What
Row
does
is
it
less
mean?
than 5. Ma'am, row is
Yes,
equal to 5.
very good, very good. Now you all are coming. Good. So it means this is the outer loop. Now, how I will start the outer loop? With the curly bracket. So call it a flower bracket. Yes. Now inside it, I have already here I have taken row. I have already, this part is declaration. Yes. Int A is the declaration. And you can see this part is initialization. Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Now what I have to declare? Now what I have to declare? Tell me. I have to declare inside the row what will be there?
Like,
Inside each row what you have to traverse?
Column, ma'am.
Very good. You have to traverse column inside each row. So what I will do, I will take another container where I can store our column. So for that also I need an int type data. So I will take B, and this is int type data because we have already taken row as int type. So now we are taking int type column also. Now my column will also start from 1.
one.
Okay. Now this much you have understood, every one of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have understood of you. Okay, fine. Now tell me, when I am starting my column, what will be my next step? I have already initialized my column from 1 in
Condition,
the
ma'am.
first row. Yes. So which loop we will use?
While loop.
While loop. Why we will use while
While
loop? Because tell me what we are preferring right now here.
Be-
column, ma'am.
Because nested while loops we have to use.
Yes, we are preferring nested while loop. So what will be my condition now? Tell me, guys.
While
B
B is
is
less
less
than
than
or
or equal
equals
to
to
5.
A.
Column is less than or equal to row.
Row.
So P is less than or equal to A.
A, correct. Okay, it is now B refers to the column and A refers to your
Row.
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 So your B will be less than and equal to the column. So every time your B will travel either less, okay, and equal to the column. Sorry, row.
Row.
Okay, everyone understood this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now what we will do, again, we have to go inside the loop, inside the inner loop. So I'll start with the flower bracket. Okay. Understood? Now what we have to do? What we have to do?
Print
What we have to
asterisk, ma'am.
print will be
Print
will
the
be
1, 1,
column.
1.
using Guys, will be using print or println?
Println.
Println.
Print, ma'am.
Okay.
Print,
Why
ma'am.
print? Why print? How many of you are saying println? How many of you are saying println? If you will use println inside the column, then every time your column will be displayed in new line.
Yes, ma'am.
But in a row, the column should be in a linear format, in one line. Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand? What did I explain you? Okay. So what we will print, guys, that is most important. What we will print?
The column.
Why we are printing column?
Because if we'll print the row, then we'll get the pattern like 1 1 1 2 2 2, and we want to print
Because
the.
if we print, yes. Please continue.
Okay. So because we want the printing should be done as the column is traveling, so we will print the column.
Okay, absolutely correct. So because our condition, everyone see, look at here, our condition is that my A will always be less than equal to 5. So when we will print A, it will always print 5 times. Yes, it print 1 time or 2 time or 3 time. Okay, but if we are printing B, it means, okay, the total number of A, okay, the B will travel till the total number of A and print the less than as well as the equal part of A. Did you all get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very simple English language I'm explaining to all of you. Yes, I can't see your response. So did you all understood, everyone? Shraddha,
Yes, ma'am.
Yash,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
understood? Good. Okay. So now what we will print? We will print B. Okay, we have to print the B. Okay, if we will print A, it will give us different output. Okay, it won't give us the output which we require. Now, guys, it will print B. So first time what will be printed? 1. Okay, I'll show you here. Okay, so first time what will be printed? First time what will be printed? First time it will be printed. It will be printed.
1.
Will be printed 1 because I'm printing B. Okay, I'm printing B. And my A is also 1. So B will go from 1, okay, B less than equal to A. So it will print 1. Now what we have to do? Do we need to increase B?
No, ma'am.
We need to increase A first.
We need to increase A. Okay,
First
can
A.
we increase A? Okay, I'll go according to y'all only. Okay, so where I will increase A? Should I close this B or should I increase the A inside B? Here I should increase A or should I close it?
I think we should increase A in the first value, like the outer value.
Okay, so I close and then I will increase the A.
Yes, ma'am.
This is what you're saying? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Do we need to add anything? Do we need to add anything? Anywhere? Anything?
Updation for B.
We'll write this system.out.println here or not? Please trace the program. Trace the program. Trace the program. And tell me, is it perfect or missing something? Because if you won't trace, I will give you the output. Okay. I will show you the output. You will never understand what you are missing or what you are gaining. Trace the
We
program.
need to update B value.
Where we need to update B value. Okay, so B value will be updated here only. Yes or no? What we will do? How we will update?
Yes, ma'am.
What we will do with B? How we will update?
B plus plus.
B++.
Yes. That's right. Okay. Fine. Now trace it. I think this value will go first. You will go to the new line and then you update it. Okay. Yes, trace it. Okay, trace it, guys, everyone. Done? Done, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get the output?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, I want answer from everyone. Is it? Yes, please go again. Got the output? Okay. So which command we use for compiling? We use Java C
Java C.
and yes, and our file name. Sorry, our file name. Yes, and we give the extension of
Java.
others Java. Okay. Yes. Now enter. Okay. So now,
Java class name.
yes. Okay. What did you get?
Yes, ma'am. As expected.
You got the answer, all of you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
more thing. See. Did you get the answer like this also?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone got the answer. Everyone
ma'am.
got the answer. Everyone, please first do it. Please write down this program. Did you all understood the program or not? Tracing will do, ma'am. Yes, please do the tracing. Yes, increment, increase, be inside the inner loop. Very good. I just want to see who has written what, because I am observing everyone from the very first day. Yes. What about Shivraj, Jyotsna, Lalu, Vikram, Abhijit, Amrita, Sachin, Vinod? Yes, Lalu.
Ma'am, can you repeat the first one? First, I have joined
What?
now.
You have
Programming.
joined now. Okay. Okay. So first of all, I'll show you what I explained.
Actually, I
Here
have
I
joined
explained.
14.
You have to be early. Yes. I will not repeat again. One program you are taking 1 hour. Yes. So I had to
No,
start
I joined 7:14.
12. You joined at 7:40.
7:14.
Hmm? Please join everyone at
I have
7:30.
joined 7:14.
Please join at 7:30 or by
Okay,
latest by
ma'am.
7:35. Yes. This is not for my benefit. It is for your benefit.
Okay.
You will be benefited. Yes, because I'm explaining program, so it is for you all. It is very essential to understand the steps. Okay, how to write the instruction. This is very important. Okay. So now here we are writing nested while loop. Okay, a while loop which is used within another while loop. Okay, and then I explained that if suppose I have to print 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have 5 rows and 5 columns. Now we are at there, the rows is, we are initializing rows is 5. Okay, and my column will go till less than equal to row. And then what we will print? Of course, we will print the column. We won't print the row. Otherwise, it will print like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 2, 2, 2. Where is my pen? It will be printed 1, 1, 1 5 times, and then it will be printed 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Did you all get this concept? That day I showed you on Saturday. Yes, all of you. I guess I showed everyone. Yes, all of you.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Guys, please note down this program quickly. Quickly. And you all promise me that you are going to trace it. And tomorrow I want to see your assignment.
Ma'am, can you show the definition?
Can I show the? I'll give you all the notes. Don't worry. I'll share you the Google Classroom. Okay?
Okay,
Don't
ma'am.
worry. I'll give you all the notes. Don't worry. Okay? Notes you will get. Okay, guys. Taken the SS. I want you all to take the SS quickly. And then after the class, you can note it down. Sit somewhere. You sit somewhere for 20 minutes. You will note down everything. Yes? Okay. So now, another thing I'm going to tell you is your nested do while loop. Okay, so you know that do while already sir must have taught you. Of course, he must have. So do while we already know that anyhow, if the condition is true or false in do while, it will execute for once. Whole instruction inside the do loop, do block will execute for once. And later it will check the condition because condition is written in at the exit point. Okay, so that is why in do while at least once the whole instruction is executed. Now how we write while loop? First we write while and with the condition we write. Yes, we use the condition. Yes, that is why first the control will check the condition. If condition is correct, okay, it is true, then only the loop control will go inside and it will execute your instruction. But in do while, the block starts with do and then it will have some instruction and then it will be closed. Outside this, the while loop will be existing with some condition. Then after executing all the statement for once, the control will go to the while part, while statement. It will check the condition. If it is false, it will come out of the loop and execute another construction which are outside the loop. Yes? Yes or no? Everyone? Yes or no? Everyone knows this. Everyone knows this. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
I want you to know that you know the do while loop or not. Yes. So guys, because of this reason only, because of this reason, this while loop, I'm not talking about nested, I'm talking about while loop, that it is entry controlled loop. Did sir teach you all this? It means it will control your entry. If the condition is true, it will allow the control to go inside the while loop and execute the instruction. But in do while, it is not entry control loop. Okay, it is exit control loop. Yes, looping is very important. Very important. So what happened? It will control your loop or condition while exiting. Because see, outside this flower packet, the condition will be checked. So it will be checked when you exit, when you come out of the block. Understood? Everyone? Am I boring? Nobody is giving a
No,
response.
ma'am.
Please give the response, guys.
No, ma'am.
No, na? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Between I'll teach you, which is very important. These are important questions. In between, I'll be giving you some important interview questions also. Yes. Okay. Understood. Okay. What about others? Reshma, entry spelling will be ENTRY. I want you all to practice all the words also. Okay. Don't write wrong spellings. Okay. It's okay if you don't know, practice it. Okay. This is the time for you to make yourself upgraded. Yes, you have come here for upgradation. So do it. Give your 100%. Yes, Sudhir. Everyone, I want answer from all of you. What it is? Vaishnavi, for loop is entry control loop or exit control loop? You all understood now why it is entry control loop? Because the condition will be checked before going inside the. Yes, Yash.
Sorry, ma'am.
You want
It
to
is
explain?
entry because it
No,
takes
no.
Yes,
it
Sudhir.
executes the criteria and then enter inside the loop.
Yes, because the first condition, the control will check your condition and then according
It will end.
to the condition output, is it true or false? Of course, it will be given in Boolean. Then only it will enter inside your loop, inside your loop block. So it will control the entry. Now understood? Try to understand all the concept with the heading. Okay? Okay. Now here, I will just explain you do while loop. So here I have already taken, you can see A is 1. So what I will do, I will not write the condition here. So what I will do, I will write do. Yes, I will write do. And what I will do here, B is 1. Okay. Now again, tell me, all of you.
Ma'am, excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Instead of taking variable A and B, can you please take
Oh my
variables
God.
like row and column?
Mm-hmm.
Instead of taking A and B, can you please take a row and column variable?
Yes, of course. Of course, I'll take row. Okay, this is your row. You're not able to understand with that.
Yes, ma'am. That is getting
Oh.
get confusing.
Okay, no issues. No issues. Sorry, this row. Okay, and we are printing column. Please do practice, and you also trace the program. Then it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, everyone. Now is it easy for you all? Okay. Now the condition which was written here, I will write it here. Yes. Okay. Now this second while loop, nested one, this one. Okay. Where I will write this? I will first start the do. I will first start the do. Okay. Now this is the block and then the condition will be checked. Is it okay? All of you understood? Only changing the position. Do I need to explain it again or you all understood the program? In do while loop. Everyone, come on, quick answer. You all understood the program. Explain, ma'am. Okay, who?
Please explain once.
Okay, I'll explain. I'll explain all of you. Okay, I'll explain. So guys, here, first of all, I have taken the row, started the row with 1. Now what I have to do? I have to go inside the row. So what I will do? I will write do. Inside the row, I will start with the first column. Of course, when you are creating a table, you are going on the first row. Then in the row, what you will get? Of course, you will get a first column. Now you are entering your house. You are going to the house. But in the house where you are entering to your hall or to the balcony first. Of course, entry will start from the balcony. So the house is your row and each rooms divided in the house is your columns. One by one, you will step in. So that is how you are going inside the column. Now inside the column, after going inside row, you are going to the column. Inside the column, so you are going inside the column. What you are doing inside the column, you are printing the column, which has been started from 1. And then column will be increased. It will be 2. So first condition, what will be checked? What will be checked first condition? That your column is less than equal to row. So already I have printed column 1. Do I need to check the condition that column is 1 is smaller than equal to 1? No, already I have printed 1. So that is why I have increased the column. Now here outside the loop, it will check column is less than equal to row. That is 2. Column is 2 now. 2 is less than equal to row. Yes. So again it will go here. Again it will go here and the control will come inside. So it will print the column. Understood? 2. And then again it will increase to 3. And again it will go outside and check is 3 less than equal to row. Yes. So what will happen? What will happen? Tell me, row is 1. Will 2 and 3 will be printed?
No, ma'am.
Where are you all?
No,
So
ma'am.
what it will print for the first time? It will print only 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Nobody is telling anything in between. You have to tell. When I increased for the first time, when column is increased, the column is 2. So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
said 2 is less than equal to row, it will go above. Nobody told me, no, ma'am, it won't go. Guys, you have to listen carefully.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
don't be blindfolded. Yes, I tricked you. You all got tricked. What come? You all are not in the mood today because it's Monday morning. Yes, come on, buck up. It's Monday morning for me also. Yes. Okay. So now what will happen? It will go outside. So next line will be printed and your row will increase to 2. Again, what will happen? Because again it will do, because here the condition is there that, oh sorry, should be row. Okay, your row is less than equal to 5. So yes, row is 1 only. Sorry, row is 2 now because we have increased the row. So 2 is less than equal to 5. Yes, then again it will go here. And then inside will be initialized again with 1. Yes.
Ma'am, will you do tracing?
Yes, I will do tracing. You want me to do tracing? I want y'all to do the tracing.
Ma'am, we are doing, but where we are getting wrong. I don't. That's why I've told you after every program, if you do tracing, we should get where we getting confused or where we getting wrong. That's
Guys,
why.
for every program, I can't do tracing. We will never complete the nested loop. Yes, for this program, I'll do the tracing. No problem. But now you have to learn. See, everything I won't spoon feed you, sorry. Okay, you have to do it. You have to do it. This is how you will learn. Okay, you have to do it. Okay, so what I did, I'll do the tracing for you all. Don't worry, I'll do the tracing here for you because I think do while loop you have not understood nicely. So do loop I wrote, okay, and then I wrote row is equal to 1. Yes, this is what I wrote. Okay, so I should have written here only. Now again what I'm doing, tell me again, I am going inside the column because inside the row there will be column. So I am taking the int column is equal to 1. Okay, this is what I'm taking. I'm not following all the conventions and rules. Not putting semicolon. I will actually trace it and show you. Okay. Now what we have to do? I have taken the sorry, did I do some mistake? Yes, I did mistake. Okay, control Z. Okay. So first of all, I have taken the from the very first only I have done the mistake. So I have taken the row. Okay, row will start from 1. Now I will start my row. Okay, inside the row, I will assume that I am starting my row. Inside the row, I will take the column, and column I will start from the 1 only. Now, after initializing the column, I will go inside the column and I'm writing print. Okay. So what I will print? Of course, I will print the column. Okay. No semicolon. Okay. So after this, what I will do? I will increase the column. Okay. After increasing the column, I will write down the condition for nested do. It means my column should be less than equal to my row. Okay. Now what I will do? I have come out. See, guys, here will be semicolon. Don't go right, otherwise you all will get confused. Okay. This is the termination point, separator. Okay, this is a separator. You all know all the tokens. Do you all know the tokens? Identifier,
Yes, ma'am.
symbols, words, separator. So this is a separator, semicolon. Okay,
Yes.
comma is a separator which separates. Yes. Now, yes. Now what I have to do? I will be now. This inner loop is completed. Now in the outer loop, I will change the line. Yes, I have taken ln, and then I will increase the value of a. Not value of, sorry, yes. Bro. I have a habit of doing A, B now. So from 10 years it is
Yes,
there. So it will actually take little time. Okay. Okay, fine. Done this much. Then what I will do, I will close the outer loop block. This is outer loop. Okay. And then I will write the condition. What condition? That while your row should be less than equal to 5. Yes. Now let's do the tracing, guys. So your row is 1. Okay. Inside the row, we are going to column 1. I'll write RNC. Is it good for you all to understand? RNC. RNC you can understand, na? R is row. Okay. So your R is 1. Okay. Your column is 1. Inside the column, this is called dry run tracing. Okay. So this is your SOP. Okay. Simple column. Okay. You're printing it. Okay. And then you are increasing the value of plus. For each statement, when we are doing the tracing, this is dry run tracing. Okay. Means you are running all the statement. Okay. So because I'm writing this, so you can understand everything clearly. While your C will be less than equal to row. Okay. Okay. And then your SOPLN. Okay. And then where is the, just a second. Okay, so now SOPLN, and after that you will increase the value of column also, and then after increasing the value of column, you will check while your row is smaller than equal to 5. Okay, this is what we have to execute. Okay, now guys, listen carefully. I'll write with the blue pen. Now my row is 1. Inside the row I'm going, and now inside the row I'm going. Okay, I'll write column is also 1. Now what is happening? We are printing the column. What we are printing? 1. So column is increased 2. Okay. So while C is less than equal to R. So C is 2 and your R is 1. Okay. So now it will go to the new line. Okay. LN I'm writing means line. Line new. Okay. Row will increase. So what will be the value of row? 2. So now
2.
column is also 2, row is also 2. And it will ask, is 2 less than equal to 5? Yes, this was false. Yes?
Yes.
It came here. So it is true. So what will happen? Again, it will go here. See, again, it will go to, because this is the, where, yes. So here you can see, bad has become, okay. So here you can see this is outer loop. So where it will go? Again, it will go from the very first. Okay, very first. Okay, so now again column will be initialized as 1. It won't go here. It won't go here because it is not inside the any loop. Row is not inside any loop. So it won't go. The control won't go here. Control will again go here. It will start from the do loop first, outer loop. So now again for the first next time for new line, second row, okay, your column will start from 1. Then you will print 1. Okay, and then your column will increase to 2. So it will ask 2 is less than equal to 2 because row is 2, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes. true. It won't go to the next line. What it will do? It won't go to the next line. Okay. What will happen? Tell me what will happen. It won't go to the next line. So it
It will
will
print, ma'am.
continue. This it will actually this condition is true. So again it will go here. Yes. So what will happen? Again column will be printed. So what will be printed? 2. Okay. Now we will increase the value of column 3. So again it will ask 3 is less than equal to 2. So it is false. So what happened? It will go here ln. New line. New line. Yes. And then what will happen? The row will be increased. So what will be the value of row? Row value is 3. Correct. Now it will ask 3 is less than equal to 5. Okay. So it's 2. So what will happen? Again, this will go. Again, this will start from here. So now again column will be 1. Again column will start from. Yes. Now you all can
Yes, ma'am.
do the tracing further. Now you can do the tracing further, all of you. All of you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it very easy? When you do the tracing, it's really easy, guys. When you do it properly, it's really easy. Yes, Yash, Deep. I
For
want
loop was
others.
much easier than this.
What?
For loop was much easier than this.
Yes, for loop is every time easy, but you have to understand the concept. Okay, but we'll be doing for loop only, don't worry. In pattern I taught you for loop only, na? So guys, your nested loop is done. I thought I'll finish it in 2 days, but it took me little time. So do you want to copy this program also? Please note it down quickly, fast. Take the screenshot. Excuse me. All taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So with this, guys, your first part is already completed. I want to ask you all that for the first part. A bit tricky? No, Yash, it is not tricky. Go one by one. It is not tricky. Okay, guys. Whatever whatever program, the pattern program I have done using nested for loop, do all the programs. This is your duty. Do all the programs using while, nested while, as well as nested do while. So you will be a pro in nested looping or in looping. If you are very good in looping, you have to be very good in looping, very good in methods. And further, I'll teach you what you have to be very good, okay, for developing and all that. Okay, all of you. And the assignment which I have given you, I want it in for loop only, but tomorrow is the final day. You all will explain me one by one. Okay? Okay, tell me, Kiran, okay. Tell me, guys, the assessment has been done for part 1. Till sir explained you. I think he explained you all till method. So has he taken the assessment? Yes, tell me. Any one of you, please come on the board and tell me. In each ID card, the school name will be same. So all the student of that particular school is sharing the school name. All of you got it? Now you, okay, all of you are from one company. Give me company name. Which company you want to join? Suppose you want to join Dell. Okay, so you all are you all are employees of Dell. Okay, so in the ID card of Dell company, you will be having employee ID. You will be having employee name. You will be having your suppose blood group, okay, and then here it will be like your Dell company name. So here in this ID card also, this particular thing is actually fixed in all the ID card, okay. So your this value is fixed, as well as it is shared by all the employees of the company. Understood the concept, what I'm going to, what I'm actually telling you, all of you? Yes. Okay. Okay. So it means there is something which is fixed and only one value is shared by everyone. So this Dell is only one name which is shared by all of the employee of that company. Okay, they will not create, if the Dell is having 50 employees, suppose, assume, then it will not